This question from Quiz2 January 2026 ST question paper. So consider the predicate P is given in terms of XYZ AB and small p small q. This is capital P, friends. Predicate capital P. And which of the following options are true? So the options are: the predicate is in DNF, CNF, and there are 2^3 possible valuations for this predicate, 2% possible valuations for this predicate. Okay, this is the capital P is different, small p are clauses. Here two types of normal forms, DNF and CNF. That is conjunctive normal form, disjunctive normal form. Disjunctive normal form is DNF, conjunctive is conjunctive, and D for disjunctive. Disjunctive normal form. Disjunctive normal form is represented with, target is represented like this. In conjunctive and gate, it is represented like this. Important, friends, you can remember these two. So R means plus or sum, and means product. Disjunctive normal form, DNF. So in disjunctive normal form is defined as sum of products. So which is also called SOP, sum of product. SOP, sum of product means, so these are products. Sum means addition, right? Sum, this is the sum of, these are products. So we add plus means OR gate, right? Sum means OR gate. This is called the disjunctive normal form. Disjunction, this symbol is disjunction. So all these are products. These bracket terms are products. That is the sum of products, SOP, OR gate, friends. But inside is end. Inside is end. Okay, friends. This is called disjunctive normal form. So this expression has three conjunctive terms. So because we are using AND gate, right? AND gate means CNF, conjunctive normal form. That is three conjunctive terms. These three are. So this one, this one, this one. This blue color one. Three conjunctive terms are joined by using this OR gate. This is OR gate, or that is sum. Sum means plus, right? OR gate. And here AND gate, right? Inside the brackets is AND gate. AND gate. So it is in DNF form. Whereas in CNF, product of sums. POS. Product of sums. That is, here is a sum. Here the product means AND gate, we represented with AND. So in the brackets is OR. Sum means OR gate. You can remember like this: sum is OR gate, product is AND gate. Sum means OR gate, right? OR. Sum of, this is sum, this is sum, this is product. This is also product. So product means AND gate, right? Product means AND gate. So that is product of, first you have to write this one between the brackets, after brackets. So product is first. Next second one is inside the bracket. Product of sums terms. Okay. This is like AND gate, dot. OR gate means plus. Okay. This is CNF, this is CNF, this is DNF. We will check the options, friends. So the predicate first is in DNF or the predicate is in CNF. Answer for this question is DNF. Option A is correct. This is multiple choice question, friends, and the option B is incorrect. It's not CNF. It is either in DNF or CNF. This is strict DNF, friends. Strictly in DNF. Strictly means, so here only or sum of or only inside there are AND gates. Three literals are strictly in terms of end operation, that is the product. That means this is strictly DNF. You can remember this one also. Sometimes they ask this term also. Strictly DNF. Inside only and. So all the literals have, disjuncts have end gate inside the terms, and outside is only OR gate. There are 2 power 3 valuable valuations for this predicate. Then valuation means valuations are, that is a row in a truth table. Truth table represents the true or false values of a class or any way, each variables or classes in the predicate. So assignment of the truth values, that is a row in a truth table. Assignment of true or false to the Boolean variables. What are the Boolean variables? Are classes X, Y, Z, A, B, P and Q. This P is different than this P. This P is the entire logical expression result. This P are variables, that is Boolean variables or classes, which are capital P is a logical expression in terms of X, Y, Z, A, B and P, Q, friends. So all these are independent Boolean variables present in the predicate. So predicate capital P is the predicate. Okay. For example, how we write the truth table for AND gate? For example, AND gate. So AND gate is represented like this. A, B are the inputs and output is Y. So A, B. So these are two inputs, right? Two inputs, that is 2 power 2. 2 power n. N is the number of inputs. N is the number of inputs in a predicate. How we represent the output? Y equals to A and B, right? A and B. So for example, this Y is the predicate P. So here the inputs are A, B. N equal to 2. Here number of inputs is 2. So the number of inputs is 2. So the 2 power n, that is 4 values are possible, right? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So these or sometimes we write as false, 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 true, true, false, true, true, right? So these are called valuations. That is, we are a row in a truth table. This is called the truth table, TT. TT represents the truth table. A row in a truth table and the assignment of the true or false to a Boolean variable. So A, B are the Boolean variables. A, B are the Boolean variables. For these Boolean variables, you are assigning a 0, 0, 1, 1 true or false values. These are called the valuations. Okay, valuation. So for this predicate, how many inputs are there? An input. So Y, Z and A is an input, B is an input, P is an input, Q is an input, and predicate capital P is the output. Capital P is the output, which is this term completely. So how many inputs are there? N is the number of input. N is the number of inputs. How many inputs are there? That is the formula for truth table. The combinations, the number of combinations. The number of combinations in a truth table are 2 power n. That equals 2 power 7, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 power 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. That is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 16, 32. So we are writing, first one is true, true, false, 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 false. Next one is true, false, 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 false. Like this you can write up to true, 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 true. So all 7 are false. We are starting from all 7 are false. We are starting from all 7 are false. So next all 7 Boolean variables are true up to, that is 2 power 7 combinations. So you add all these values, 64 plus, if we add all these are 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 12 plus 3, so 127. So all these are the combinations starting from 0 to 127 only, total values. So if they are asking starting from 0 to 127 combination, that is total value is, total count is 128, total values, that is 2 power 7 valuations. That is every row in the truth table. This is the truth table, friends. This is the truth table. So we started from all Boolean variables are false and ending with true. So that is 128 combinations total. So for this question, the answer is there are 2 power 7 possible valuations for this predicate. Okay, this option is also correct. This is a multiple choice question. My videos, please like and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching, friends.